Hello and welcome back to Yogafit with Ed and Ross. Today we will learn Baddha Parshvakonasana, which is the advanced version of Parsvakonasana. Stand facing the long side of your mat with your feet about a leg distance apart. Begin in Warrior 2 position with your right leg forward. Bend your front knee to reach your right arm forward. Bring your right forearm to rest on the ground in front of your right foot. Open your chest and bring your left arm and your gaze towards the ceiling. Now move your left arm to the front. Get your hips down a bit to form a straight line here. Keep grounding in your left foot throughout. I have already posted the tutorial of Parshvakonasana in this channel. Do check out its benefits and precautions. Now let's dive into advanced pose of this asana, which is Baddha Parshvakonasana. From extended side angle, drop your left arm behind your back like this. Lift your right hand away from the floor and bring it under your right thigh. Hold into your left wrist with your right hand and use the traction to open your chest towards the ceiling. Stay here for 10 to 15 breaths. Repeat the pose on the other side as well. To come out of this pose, press actively into your feet on an inhalation. Strongly extend through the left arm as you come back up. Reverse the direction of your feet to do the same pose on the other side. Try not to crunch the side waist as you bend. If this is happening, rest your forearm on your thigh or use a block. Always keep your side waist long. Keep your bent knee stacked above the ankle and pointing in the same direction as your toes. If you have a shoulder injury, keep your top hand on your hip instead of lifting it up. It strengthens and stretches the legs, ankles and knees, increases flexibility in the shoulders, works the core muscles. It deeply stretches the groins and inner thighs, increases range of motion in hips, improves joint mobility, releases tension in the waist and spine, expands the chest and lungs, stimulates abdominal organs, increases stamina, helps with constipation, infertility, low backache, osteoporosis, sciatica and menstrual discomfort. It tones knees, ankles and thighs, reduces fat around the hips and waist, and improves muscular strength and endurance.